I'm Jason Vanderwijk, recording for my Emerging Tech class, and this is my second technology, and it's called Duolingo.com. Duolingo is currently one of the world's best ways to learn a language, and I'm going to show it off to you. So when you get into the website itself, first you're going to have to sign in, which I've already done. Next, it's going to tell you to pick a language that you want to start learning. And I picked Spanish for demonstration purposes, but if you want to change the language, you can just click on this and go to add new course, and it will pop up with all of the languages that you need to learn. As you can see, there's a dictionary that can help you. If you don't know the words, you can just look it up in the dictionary and you'll be A-okay. Starting the website, you have to take a placement test, and the placement test will basically just determine where you are and where you are with that language. And if you're just a beginner, you take the intro test, which is a test that tells you where you are so that you can take the placement test. You can read stories, which basically it's like a book. It's just in the language and it reads it for you, and you just follow along. There's discussions, which is essentially like a help and feedback thing, where you message them what you want to see on this and they do it for you. And I chose this technology because it can be applied to real world problems. Not necessarily problems, but real world things. Like if you want to learn a language, you can. And it's pretty useful.